In this home tour video, we will explore Rau Haus, a modern home designed by Feldman Architecture, located in Portola Valley, United States. This home was specifically created for a family seeking to escape the hustle and bustle of the city in search of more space and tranquility, with a dedicated zone for hosting family and friends. The 3,433 square foot, L-shaped home is elegantly nestled into the eastern hillside. The design focuses on carefully orienting both public and private spaces to maximize views while maintaining privacy from neighboring properties. With breathtaking views over Coal Creek Open Space Preserve, visitors are immersed in the surrounding rolling green hills, with distant glimpses of the San Francisco Bay to the north. The main wing of the home stretches from north to south, with a double-height kitchen and dining area forming the heart of the house. This area connects the main floor to a loft and bedrooms upstairs, creating a dynamic visual connection. On the eastern side, clear-story windows and light wells invite soft morning light into the home, offering serene views of the greenery without compromising privacy. A single-story form with a green roof extends perpendicularly from the main structure, creating a multi-purpose space near the infinity pool. The pool acts as a threshold where the manicured landscape transitions seamlessly into the natural meadow. The northern section of the house, where the primary suite is located, offers stunning views of the San Francisco Bay. A roof deck, accessible to guests, allows for public enjoyment of these views without compromising the privacy of the bedroom. The material palette was chosen for its durability and low maintenance. The second story is clad in exterior cement, while Monterey Cypress siding, which will naturally weather over time, elegantly integrates the main level with the landscape. These understated, clean, and modern materials flow harmoniously from the exterior to the interior of the home. Sustainability was a key element in the design of this home. A 6.24 kilowatt solar array provides approximately 9,777 kilowatt hours of renewable energy annually. The home also features electric heat pump HVAC systems and passive ventilation strategies, optimizing airflow through operable windows and doors. The infinity pool and shaded outdoor patios offer comfortable use at different times of the day. Overall, Rau Haus exemplifies the seamless fusion of modern architecture, sustainability, and harmony with the natural surroundings. As project principal Stephen Stept, AIA, describes, this home is a tranquil space, balancing horizontal and vertical connections both within the house and towards the surrounding landscape. Project architect Anjali Iyer adds that the house embraces the spirit of the site, creating a stage for daily life to unfold. Thank you for joining this home tour on Block 7. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our future videos. See you next time.